Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like buttons. Happy watching.
A stylish new compact sedan will soon be added to the Kia lineup to replace the current Forte, and it will bear the name K4 and slot under the larger K5 family sedan. The K4 wears a fastback roofline that draws inspiration from the Stinger sports sedan and wide rear fenders that give the car a sporty stance. The base engine will be the same 147 horsepower four-cylinder that powered last year's Forte. A 190 horsepower turbocharged 4 is exclusive to the top-rung GT line turbo trim. The K4 is slightly larger than the outgoing Forte, and Kia says the interior is roomier, particularly for rear seat riders, aligning it with other compact sedans such as the Honda Civic, the Mazda 3, the Toyota Corolla, and the Volkswagen Jetta. Luckily, we won't have to wait long to drive one, as the K4 is due in Kia dealerships in fall 2024. We will have to wait a bit longer for the handsome hatchback variant, which Kia says will launch in the US later, possibly for the 2026 model year. The K4 is a new nameplate for Kia in North America and is expected to replace the Forte compact car when it goes on sale for the 2025 model year. An electric model called EV4 may also join the lineup at the same time. The price of the 2025 Kia K4 is expected to start around $22,000 and go up to $30,000 depending on the trim and options. Kia hasn't released information on the K4's pricing or available features yet, but we expect to see trim levels and pricing similar to that of the current Forte compact sedan. Since it'll likely be one of the cheapest Kias on the market, expect to see a starting price of around $22,000 for the base model, with a loaded GT line turbo with all the goodies cresting the $30,000 mark. Most K4 models have a 147 horsepower 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, front-wheel drive, and a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT. This powertrain is a direct carryover from the 2024 Forte, and in that car, we found this combination to feel quite sluggish. That attribute isn't likely to change in the K4, but luckily Kia is offering a 190 horsepower turbo 1.6-liter 4 as an upgrade engine. The more powerful powertrain is exclusive to the GT line turbo trim, and it comes with a conventional 8-speed automatic. The GT line turbo also comes with a more sophisticated multi-link rear suspension, whereas all the other K4s come with a torsion beam setup. When we get a chance to drive both models, we'll update this story with driving impressions and instrumented test results. Kia has kept the K4's interior design clean and simple, with a linear look to the dash. Although there's a large infotainment display, there appear to still be several physical buttons for controls, which is refreshing given the auto industry's push to digitize such things. The K4's steering wheel looks different from other Kia models and features an offset logo and a two-spoke design. When we find out more information about the K4's standard and optional features, we'll update this story with details. While we don't know the size of the K4's standard infotainment setup, we know that upper trims will come with a multi-screen arrangement that sees two 12.3-inch displays combined in one continuous flat panel. One serves as a reconfigurable gauge cluster while the other does duty as the main point of access for features such as navigation, radio, climate control, and more. A third, 5.0-inch display sits between the two larger ones and provides access to climate controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard. Sirius XM satellite radio and in-dash navigation will also likely be available across the K4's lineup. A suite of driver assistance features is standard on all K4 models, but more advanced tech, including an evasive steering assist feature and a more advanced adaptive cruise control system with lane centering, are optional. For more information about the K4's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration.
Thank you for subscribing and liking, commenting. See you in the next video.